Hi, I'm Dave. Been a dad for 20 years, and this is my cell phone. Sure, my kids call it outdated, but there's nothing wrong with it. Why should I get rid of it? It has everything I need. It has buttons, a call feature, and even one of those pound sign things for that Instagram. Games, sure, it has games. You ever play Snake? Lost the charger 2 years ago? Still 3 bars. I use cellhelmet Liquid Glass Pro Plus on this phone because it's the best protection out there. I've had this phone so long, I want to keep it forever. Excuse me. Yeah, no, I can't talk right now. I'm shooting a video. Okay, if I don't see you sooner, I'll see you later. A little dad humor.